You are going to love the 2020 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Bluetooth, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.